If you're an entrepreneur or marketer looking to streamline your online business, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of Systeme.io. Systeme.io Introduction. Systeme.io is a game-changer in the digital marketing arena. It's an innovative platform that offers everything you need to grow your business, from sales funnels to email marketing and beyond. Check the link in the description to get started. User-friendly interface. The first thing that impressed me was Systeme.io's user-friendly interface. Whether you're a tech expert or a complete beginner, you'll find it incredibly easy to navigate and build your marketing assets. Sales funnel creation. Creating high-converting sales funnels is a breeze with Systeme.io. From lead generation to upsells and downsells, the platform empowers you to optimize your customer's journey for maximum results. Powerful email marketing. Email marketing is the backbone of successful businesses, and Systeme.io doesn't disappoint. Their email marketing tools are robust and efficient, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Membership sites. Are you planning to launch a membership site for exclusive content or courses? Systeme.io's got you covered with easy-to-use membership site creation tools. Affiliate program management. If you're considering starting an affiliate program, Systeme.io's affiliate management feature is a game-changer. Easily recruit and manage affiliates to expand your reach and boost sales. Analytics and tracking. Data-driven decisions are crucial in the digital age, and Systeme.io provides detailed analytics to measure your marketing efforts' effectiveness. So, to sum it up, Systeme.io is an all-in-one digital marketing solution that caters to entrepreneurs of all levels. From its user-friendly interface to its powerful features, it truly stands out as the ultimate powerhouse. Don't wait any longer. Experience the magic of Systeme.io for yourself and take your business to new heights. Check the link in the description to get started. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time, happy marketing, and see you in the next video.